so fucking hot. Quickly turn up the air conditioning to the max.
Hold on! You want to die? In summer, after the high-temperature sun exposure, the interior of the car, such as plastic trim, will volatilize formaldehyde and other toxic gases. You can't turn on the air conditioning right away.
If you don't turn on the air conditioning, I'll turn into Human Torch.
Come on, I tell you a solution. Make you so cold in summer that you want to wear a cotton jacket in the car. First, lower the passenger window to the lowest level. Then open and close the driver's door 8 times. This is to use the principle of pulling the wind box, so that the temperature inside and outside the car quickly consistent. Come on, get in the car and feel it again.
Wow, it's much cooler.
Of course.
Okay, go on.
Come on, look at this. First of all, turn on the air conditioner, set the airflow to maximum, and turn on the external circulation. Lower all the window panes to the lowest level. After 1 minute, turn the airflow to the center position. Turn on the internal circulation, then close all the windows. You can feel it.
Wow, it's as cool as a refrigerator. It's a bit cold.
Of course it is. It's especially practical. Follow me to learn more about cars at the homepage.